Hi friends, today we will go through the function called as Vstack in Excel. What Vstack will does, it will combine the multiple arrays vertically into one array. So here you can see set of data having Delhi, Gujarat, Mumbai, Haryana like this. Here you can see this data is there in form of table. How to convert data into table? I think you already know. You will just select the data and do Control T. It will get convert to table. And now we will start with vstack. So this column heading is already mentioned, and for vstack you will type equal to vstack in bracket and select the sheet where your data is from Delhi. Select the range, okay, comma, then another one, another site, select that range, comma, next site, select that range, comma, next site, select the range and enter. You will get the entire data of different site into one sheet like this. And this one is not in a date format. So to convert this into date, you will select that column and go to the option as short date. Format that as short date. Now let's see if it allows us to make changes. If I make changes, like if I delete any entry like GK11, if I'm deleting this, okay, let's see if it GK11 gets deleted. Yes, that entry gets deleted. If I add any entry like GK13, same one. Okay, let's go for same item and same date. Let's see if addition is done. Yes. So VStack will capture the editing part. Like if any data is deleted, it will delete that entry. If any data is added, it will automatically add that entry to the data set. Okay. Now let's check VStack with this number set of numbers which we have and set of names. For this, you will enter V stack in bracket. Now to select the set of numbers, you will select first row where that numbers are. Okay. Press Control, select that second column where numbers are. Press Control, select that column. So that numbers will be in sequence or one below the another. I think it capture only the last one. So let's add this formula again. V stack, okay. Select the first range, control, next range. Control should be pressed and control. You will not leave the control. Enter. So entire numbers has come. Here you can see 0 because while selecting we selected this one. That's the reason it is 0. Let's add some number. It will add it automatically. If I delete any entry, the entry will get deleted. Similarly, same way. Okay, now let's go try with the names. I want different names are there in different set of rows and columns. So I want all should come in one column. For that, you will go for V, same function V stack, okay, and select the set of array where your names are. Press Control. Control should be pressed all the time. Like you should not leave the Control tab and then select this and select where names are and enter. Now you can see 0. Why this entry is 0? Nothing is mentioned in this. If I add any name, it will get added. So this was the small learning for the day. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.